Joe, I think I have you, Joe. It's a Delta Hotel 1 Kilo Japan. I believe the name is Joe, Japan Ocean Echo. This is Whiskey 4 Kilo Whiskey Sierra. The name is Tony, Tango Ontario November Yankee. My QTH is Florida, USA, over. Your QTH?
Got that 100%. You are your QTH is in Key West, Florida. You are in Key West, Florida. Very good. Stuttgart. It's always part of Germany. Close to Stuttgart.
Okay, excellent, my friend. I believe this is my first 10-meter repeater contact into Germany. And I am very happy for you to come back to me this morning. I really appreciate it. About 10:30 a.m. here, Eastern local time. And just sitting here listening to the repeater, having some coffee here. Beautiful weather today. Yesterday was not so good. Tons of rain here, my friend. Back to you, Joe. Delta Hotel 1 Kilo Japan, Whiskey 4 Kilo, Whiskey Sierra.
Copy 100%, but there is a deep QSP, very strong QSP coming now on the repeater. Tony, thank you for the contact. Thank you very much. 73 to Florida. Over.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Crystal clear here. A final signal report, 5 and 8. Great signal. I appreciate the contact. I'll say 7-3. Best wishes. And we'll have to do it again, my friend Joe. Delta Hotel 1 Kilo Japan 7-3 from Whiskey 4 Kilo Whiskey Sierra.
Thank you very much, Tony. Thanks for the good signal report. I'm running about 400 watts with a square loop homemade antenna. My Squello loop 6-meter overground at 400 watts, Tony. 7-3, thank you, and have a great day. Over.
Yeah, thank you. Quick, my station here, FTDX-10, Yaesu 100 watts, off-center fed dipole antenna. 73, W4KWS clear.
Thanks for calling. Over.
Yep, copy 7-3 and clear.
I got really strong QSP now. KB2 something, over.